I'm gonna show you how it's done right, nigga.
I believe.
Where do you guys want to go?
I like going B.
Okay.
I like A.
I can do B too.
Alright, so 2A, 2B, 1 mid maybe?
Alright. Why is it lagging?
Thank you, Orange.
Throwing smoke.
I hear him B. I hear him B.
Alright, I'm coming to vent right now. I'm gonna set up a vent, just tell me when to go in. Let's synchronize a replay. Never mind, I'm trying.
Come in.
Oh, I can't hit shit.
Nice, dude.
Nice.
Are you smurfing?
Are you smurfing?
I am.
Slapboxers, dude. Me and Slapbox go way back to the Smurf days. Back when we were just like
Yeah,
little
dude.
blue boys. Little blue seamen.
Yeah, dude. Dude, do you remember the fucking tree we used to live in?
Oh shit, dude, yeah.
It was the best. Good
The
times,
good old
good times.
days. The good old
Smoke.
days. I don't think.
There's a UMP back at spawn that I accidentally bought. The numbers just now. So I'm gonna
I just mowed him down at B.
Red.
Yo,
Oh my
stretch,
God.
mate.
Oh my god, that guy is so bad.
Yeah, grab that UMP. Yeah, my boy. Okay, cool.
My boy.
Get out, Mika. I can get mid this time, so I won't
Grab
go
your
B.
gear and let's go.
I'll go B. Or orange was mid, so
Red, dude.
Laying down.
they might go A this time though. I'm feeling
It would be smart of them.
Yeah. I hear him, man.
I don't hear anything B. I mean mid.
Fire in the hole.
Oh, are they B again?
Incendiary.
Just one.
Okay.
One squeaky.
Alright, I'm gonna come to A. You guys can say B or something.
Flashing over green.
Throwing flashbang.
They're already
Oh,
rage
they-
quitting, dude. Nice.
Wow.
That's what I like to see, though.
Fuck. God damn it. One
Oh, I
squad.
suck.
One squad, one's on site.
He's quad now. He's planting.
Nice.
Diffusing.
Good job.
Wow, I am sucking. It's a good thing you guys are picking up the slack.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.